In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sales tax in Wave. To begin, head over to your Wave dashboard. Once you are there, click on your company name located at the top right corner of your screen. A menu will appear, and from this menu, select the Business Settings option. Inside Business Settings, you will see a Settings menu. Under the Accounting section, you will find the Sales Taxes option, which you should click on. If you have previously created taxes, they will be listed here. To add a new tax, click on the Create a Sales Tax option located at the upper right of your screen. You will then need to fill in several fields. First, enter the name of your tax. Next, enter the abbreviation for your tax. For example, if you are entering Goods and Services Tax, you can use the abbreviation GST. You can also type a description of this tax. While this description will not appear on invoices, it is useful for your own reference and understanding. You will also see a field for a tax number. If your government has issued a VAT ID or GST number, you can enter it here, and it will appear on your invoices. Otherwise, leave this blank. There are several checkboxes available. The first checkbox determines whether this tax will appear on invoices when you create them, so ensure this is checked if desired. The next checkbox, this tax is recoverable, is generally used in countries such as Canada and allows you to claim back tax on business purchases. The third checkbox relates to compound tax, which you can enable if necessary, otherwise leave it unchecked. Finally, enter the tax percentage applicable to this tax. This will vary depending on your tax type and location, and you should enter only the numeric value for the percentage. Once all fields are completed, click Save. Your tax will now be created successfully and listed under Sales Taxes. And this is how you can add sales tax in Wave.